So guys, in this video, we are going to show you a pocket option 5-second strategy that was able to deliver us these kind of results. So watch this video very carefully because it can be extremely helpful for you in your trading journey. And don't forget to like this video. So as you can see, already see in this screen, I absolutely love the parabolic SAR indicator, and you can find this indicator just by clicking at here, and you can see here, you can just click on it and use the default setting of this parabolic SAR indicator to use it with the 5-second candles of all the charts. Okay, you just select this chapter candlestick and select S5, and your trading time frame should also be of 5 seconds. You just click on this flag. If it is flag at here, just click on it and make it clock and select S5 as your trading time frame. Now your candles are also of 5 seconds and your trading time frame is also of 5 seconds. Now you just need to see like these kind of conditions where market are falling sharply and parabolic dots are forming above the candles. If you see this kind of scenario, then you can take risk anywhere at here and make trade by clicking on lower. Similarly, if you see market moving up, not this kind of, okay, you should avoid this kind of market where market is sometimes trying to calm down and sometimes trying to go up. Okay, you need to avoid this kind of market and only try to find out this kind of free fall. I will show you exactly these trades that I have already made. I would suggest you to watch these trades very carefully so that you can understand at which conditions, like these conditions, you need to make trade, and you need to avoid this kind of zigzag conditions to get this kind of results. And if you want to copy our trade in pocket option automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. So now what I will do is I'll keep quiet and show you all the tradings that I have made, and we were able to make a profit of $968. Few trades went lost, few trades went right. Okay, so watch all of the trades at which condition it went wrong and which condition it went right. Okay, so that you can understand it and implement it. So now I'll keep quiet and show you the video.